Hello everyone. In this video, we will be solving exercise 1.3 third sum. So, here we will be solving question number 3, which says express the following in the form P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. So, they have given us some numbers which are in decimal form and we need to convert them into fraction form. Now here the first one what they have given is 0.6 and there is a line above 6, there is a bar above 6. It means that 6 is going to repeat here now. Okay, so it means it is 0.66666. Okay, now we'll solve this. So 0.6 and above bar means it is 0.6666 and it is continuing like this. So here how to solve this is, we will say that let x be equal to 0.6666 like this, and we will take this as equation 1. Okay. Now what we have to do is we have to see how many digits are repeating after the decimal. So here only one digit is repeating. So what we have to do is we have to say multiply both sides by 10. So if there is only one digit which is repeating, then we have to multiply by 10 on both the sides. If there would have been two digits like 0.62626262 like that, if it would have repeated, then if two digits if they would have repeated, then we would have multiplied by 100. If three digits would have multiplied, then we would have multiplied by 1000. So like that, this trick we have to remember. So multiply both sides by 10. So here this will become 10 into x 10x, and this will become 10 into 0.6. We have to do, I will write it first, is 10 into 0.6666. Okay, so this will this will become 10 into x will become 10x, and here it into 10 when we will do 1 6 will jump here, so it will become 6.6666, right? And it will continue like this, and we will take this as equation 2. Now in the next step we need to subtract 1 and, so we have to subtract equation 1 and 2. So 10x is equal to 6.6666, it is continuing, and equation 1 is x is equal to 0.6666 and it is continuing. And now we will subtract it. So here nothing is there means 1 is there. So 10 minus 1 will become 9x, and here all this, these things will before the decimal everything will get cancelled, and 6 minus 0 is 6. So x is equal to 6 by 9. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So therefore x is equal to 2 by 3. So this is our answer. So 0.6 bar can be represented in a fractional form, in a P by Q form like this, x is equal to 2 by 3. So 0.6 bar can be represented as 2 divided by 3. When we will divide 2 divided by 3, when we will divide it, we will get the same answer 0.6, and the 666 will repeat. So this particular decimal number we have converted into a fractional form. So this is our answer. Similarly, now we will see the second one. Now here we will see the second sum. It is 0.47 and the bar is only on 7. So it means only this 7 is going to repeat here, right? So this number looks like this 0.47 and there is a bar on 7. It means the number is like this 0.47777, and the number is repeating like this. Okay, so we will say let x is equal to 0.4777. Okay, We'll write like this, and we will take this as equation 1. Okay. So in a similar fashion, we will solve this. So only one digit is repeating here, so we will multiply both sides with 10. Multiply both sides by 10. So here it will become 10 into x, and here it will become 10 into 0.4777. So this will become 10x is equal to, this will become 4.777. Okay, and this we will take as equation 2. Now we will subtract equation 1 and 2. So 10x is equal to 4.777. This will continue. And here x is equal to 0.477, and we need to subtract this. Okay, nothing is there means 1 is there, so it will become 9x is equal to 9x is equal to uh, all these things will get cancelled. 7 minus 4 is 3, and this is 4, so 4.3 we have. Now we know that to remove decimal, what we can do is we can divide it by 10, right? So the decimal will go off. And now 9 I will transfer to the other side. I will solve it here. So x is equal to 43 divided by 10. Already we have a 9 will come here, right? And this will become x is equal to 43. 9 into 10 is 90. So this is our answer, guys. X is equal to 43 by 90. So this is our answer. Now there is one more question which we will do on the next page. So now here we will solve the third question. So 0.001, and then we have a bar. So it means these three numbers are repeating. So this can be written as 0.001, again 001, and it will continue like this, right? So what we'll say, we will let x is equal to 0.001001, and it will continue, and we will take this as equation 1. And now there are three numbers which are repeating, so we have to multiply it by 1000. Multiply both sides by 1000. Okay, now so this will become 1000 into x, 1000x, and here what will happen is this 1 will come here, so 1 point, okay, 1 will come here, and 001 again will remain here, right? And it will remain 001 like this, and we will take this as equation 2. So now we will say subtract equation 1 and so 1000 x is equal to 1.001001, and we'll subtract minus x, first one, so 0.001001. Now we will subtract both these equations. So here you can see that this and this will go off, and here 1 will remain, and here nothing is there means 1 is there, so 1 if we cancel, what will remain is 999x is equal to 1. So therefore x is equal to 1 divided by, we will send this to this side, 999. So the answer is therefore x is equal to 1 divided by 999. So this is our fraction. Okay. So this completes our question number 1, which had 3 sub questions. Guys, like, share, comment, and subscribe my YouTube channel. And for online tuition classes, visit this website. Thank you very much, guys.